Jan's not moving up. Put up towards $5. A lot of sellers on this candle. I would be careful on Jan. I think it just might be a pump and dump. There's no catalyst on it. On the other one, AUVI, there was a catalyst, and it's holding up quite nice. So I think AUVI, at least by the open, maybe if not sooner, it could be through $3 or 282, the previous high here. What's up, North Sale? So right now I'm watching AUVI. We have BJDX popping up earlier. It's holding this support level, so still a chance, you know, it could come back up, curl back up through 95. So we're looking at BJDX, AUVI, and right now Jan as well. So let's look at Jan here. Looks like pretty high selling pressure. I don't really think this will curl back up because there is no catalyst behind it. At least recent catalyst for today. I did kind of tumble top at this level. Was that 69? 67. I think AUVI is the best chance to break through the high and then up towards 3, but probably not till 9, at least 9, probably more like 9:30, because it just made a huge move here. I didn't see it until it was at 2:30. 52% move. It's pretty significant. I didn't see it until 2:30, and at that time it was already up 30%, and I was waiting for a pullback, and it kind of kept going a little bit longer, so I was kind of held off for a minute, waited for a pullback, started sizing in on the pullback, and I got a nice pop, so that was good. So being kind of more conservative right now, which I'm finding is my conservativeness is keeping me green in this type of market, even though sometimes I do miss some moves. So I'd rather, miss some moves and ensure that I am green. A lot of false breakouts too the past few days. Yeah, Jan could break 5. Let's see. It's curling back up. Let's take a look. Getting some good volume. So it's got to hold over 69. That's a previous breakout point, pivot breakout point. We also have support at 43. It's holding up here. It's a very aggressive if I want to get in here, so I'm going to hold back. Hold back the FOMO. A little 1 minute pullback. We might move up to 5, but I still think it's a very aggressive. You know how extended this is right now. If you even just looking at the 5 minute. It's just, I don't think the market is that hot. I mean, it showed it yesterday. There was a lot of volume yesterday and nothing really squeezed that much until around 11 o'clock in HTCR. Five minute is way extended off this level. It could go. But then again, it can also have a pretty sharp pullback here. Could pull back all the way back to 40. Let's check the scanner here, see if we get anything else. Nope. Jan finding some support on the 9 EMA. It's just not A+ yet for me. I still think it's gonna pull back. I still feel it. It's kind of top heavy. And I definitely learned my lesson yesterday, trying to push this market into buying extended stocks off the 9 EMA. RDBX lost 50 cents on instantly. And so I'm just, trying to stay conservative and sticking to only the best setups. And so far it's working. I'm up on a pretty solid cushion so far in the day at 8:30. Still have a long wait. Still 2 hours left until I call it. An hour and a half, 2 hours left. So definitely good. I have a nice cushion going into the market open. Jan finding some support. This could be an entry off of this support level. It could go. It could go here. The ladder doesn't seem very thick though on the bid side, so that's what makes me, hesitate right now. AUVI is having a little bit of a rounded bottom here. Let's see if it curls back up. It's got to break 260 for me to be interested for the high, and then up towards 282. So still going to hang tight on that. It's got to hold over 260. Okay, getting bought up there. Getting bought up. Bunch of sellers coming in now. This is why I'm patient. Because it looks good, it looks good. Anticipating a break at 260. Bunch of sellers come in. Might need to form like a reverse head and shoulders. So we got the shoulder here, we got the head here. We might dip down one more time to 250 to make that last shoulder. Definitely a lot of resistance at 260. All right, I'm gonna shut down the stream here. I'll see you guys on the trading recap later today. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button.